This is how a bicycle bell would sound on Mars. Now this is how ocean waves sound here on Earth. And this is how they would sound on Mars. The Perseverance rover has 2 microphones that record sounds on Mars. This is the actual audio of a Martian dust devil. And this is a recording of the Ingenuity helicopter in flight. This is the sound of the Perseverance rover driving on its metal wheels.
We are a species of explorers, and we will meet many setbacks on the way to Mars. However, we can persevere. We, not as a nation, but as humans.